Hey everyone, I'm That Beauty Counter Girl, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this neutral everyday look. Alright, I have already prepped my face with the Tint Skin foundation and blended that in. And then I sealed it with the translucent Mattify Powder over top for oil control. And then I contoured my face with the No. 1 bronzer. And now I'm going to be taking the color Candlelight and applying that all over the lid. Just press this into your eye. Do the inner corners, middle of the lid, all the way up to your eyebrow. Next I'm taking the color Brulee and I'm just swiping this back and forth in my crease and outer V. Now using an angled brush, take that color Moto, which is just a black, and make a V on the outside of your eyelid and blend upward toward the crease. Because this is a really dark color, start out with just a little bit and then build it if you want more of a dramatic look. Make sure to just blend this color really well into the crease and the outer V. Now we're going back in with that color Candlelight and we're just swiping this in the inner corners and middle of our lids just to brighten your eye back up. This also just helps to blend everything together. Now take that really light color Cameo and swipe that right underneath your eyebrows. This is going to act as our highlight color. And then also take that same color and just apply it to your inner corner of your eye to continue to brighten it up. Brightening up the inner corner of your eye makes your eye look less tired and also contrasts the darker color really well. Now take a fluffy brush and just sweep underneath your eyes for any fallout powder. Now I'm going to be lining my eyes with just a black liner. I find that it helps to lift the lid a little bit so that you can get as close to the lash line as possible. Don't worry about making this line perfect because we're just going to smudge it out next. Now take a really small precision brush and wet it and then go back in with that black color Moto and we're going to go over the line we just did with the eyeliner pencil and smudge it out a little bit. This just makes that harsh black line a little bit softer. It also helps you to get closer to the lash line. Now I'm just finishing it off with the Volumizing Mascara and I'm lining both my top and bottom lashes. I didn't choose to line my bottom lashes, but if you wanted to, I would take the precision brush again with that black color on it and just lightly swipe that underneath your eye if you wanted to make it just a little bit more dramatic and line your eyes more. To finish off the look, I'm using the Nude Lip Sheer and a glossy, sparkly nude lip gloss over that. And then you're done. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my dramatic look coming up next using this romantic palette. And if you want to be notified when that comes out, subscribe to the channel. All the products that I've used are listed down below in the description. I think that's it. Yeah, I feel good about that. Okay.